Hello there. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your akara like a pro. This akara will just blow your mind. It's straightforward, very easy, no much hassle. So if you want to make your akara, all you need is your peeled beans, washed, and then as you can see on the screen, I've already added my mixed pepper. Meanwhile, if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, like, share the video. Okay, so let's go cooking. After washing the beans, all you need to do is just transfer into your blender. I added 1 egg and then water to blend. I blend it until it is very smooth. How do you know it's very smooth? It can be smooth but still not very smooth. You can feel it with the tip of your finger to make sure there's no any roughness inside, that it's quite smooth. Then after I've done that, I'll transfer it into another bowl, as you can see on the screen. In this bowl now, all I need after transferring it is just to add salt and then mix it with my spoon to make sure that the salt is well mixed. And then I already have my oil there heating up. It's not very hot, it's hot but not very hot. If you put it in a very hot oil, it will get burnt. So just hot in the sense that it's not going to suck up oil. And then you start scooping in your paste into the oil, and it fries on both sides for just few, like less than a minute. You flip the other side as well, because if you leave it on one side, it's going to get burnt. So that's it, and that's the outcome. The akara is ready. As you can see, this akara is so nice, very fluffy. You don't need to beat in any extra. All you need is just to follow the step and you come out so nice, and it's quite straightforward. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, if you watched this point, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye.